In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Apple Pencil on the Notes app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you quick instructions and commands that you can use when you connect your Apple Pencil to your iPad and you use the Notes app. So, to best utilize your Apple Pencil on the Notes app, here are some recommendations. For taking notes and drawing, open the Notes app on your iPad and tap the Compose button or the plus sign to create a new note or open an existing one. Start writing or drawing directly on the note with your Apple Pencil. Now, when you start writing or drawing, it is going to get reflected and you can save that inside of the app itself. After you choose the Compose button, you can repeat this process with as many compositions as you want to make. Now, to customize your experience, you will be able to change the color or the tools by tapping the Markup button. So this is going to be the pencil with a plus sign to access the toolbar. There, you can choose different pen styles, highlighters, an eraser, and other tools. You can adjust the writing area as well by dragging the resize handle on the left side of the note up or down to make the writing area larger or smaller. And you will also be able to work with your handwriting, so you can convert your handwriting to text using Scribble. So tap the handwriting tool that looks like a pen next to a ruler in the markup toolbar. As you write with the Apple Pencil in this mode, your handwriting will automatically be converted to typed text. You can also select and edit handwriting. So by using the lasso tool between the eraser and the ruler in the markup toolbar, you will be able to tap and hold or drag your Apple Pencil to select your handwriting. You can then cut, copy, delete, duplicate, or translate the highlighted text with the lasso tool. You can double tap a word to select it or triple tap to select the whole sentence, and you can also use your finger to write or draw in the Notes app, but the Apple Pencil will offer greater pressure sensitivity for a more natural writing experience. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Apple Pencil on the Notes app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.